So we're looking for which one of these could be the average of A and B. Remember that the average of A and B is A and B divided by 2. That equals their average. Which also tells us, just in case we end up needing it, that A plus B equals 2 times their average. We do also have this other equation, though, where we have 2 times A minus B equals 3C. We can combine that with the other formula here, the one that we just got, add them together. So if we add A plus B equals 2 times their average, this all added together equals 3A. The two B's cancel each other out. That equals 3C plus 2 times the average of A and B, whatever that ends up being. The thing that this means, though, is that since A and B are also integers, we know that A and B are integers. 3 times A must be an integer. C is also an integer, so A, B, and C are all integers. 3 times that will remain an integer. And since we're adding this guy this guy's an integer, this guy's an integer, the only way that we can still have an integer in this space here is if this thing itself is an integer. Not only that, when we add this to this, it's still divisible by 3. So, because we found out that A is an integer, so 3A is also an integer, we divide this by 3. Therefore, this number itself must be divisible by 3, 2 times the average. And even though we don't know what that number is, the only number in the answer choices that's divisible by 3 is 12. Answer choice E.